What's going on, YouTube? So today's video, we're gonna try and see. If you don't know about octane learning, well, it's a stupid thing that Hyundai did for this car. If you put premium, you gotta do some steps to get the full power out of this car. If you put 87, it's just gonna give you not the full potential of it, and it's kind of boring. But we're just gonna see that. I know there's some other cars that as soon as you put premium, it gives you the full potential of the car. Not with Hyundai though. They're trying to mess with you. They should fix that, but I don't know. Try to see though. We're 93 now. Let's see how it does though. For that, I'll do a pull. Because every single fill up that you do, the gas reset and go back to normal. What the hell? It's already filling up, bro. What the hell? We're about 3 minutes into the whole process of getting this big to learn. It's a lovely day. I'm probably not gonna get a lot of grip from these tires, but it's whatever. We'll see though. Look at our cord. It's a B6 too. Fire. We'll see. About 69 on the longest gear. That's what you're supposed to be at. But that speed right there, gotta stay still for around 8 minutes or so, which is annoying if you have a lot of traffic like right now over here. Look at that. Can't play with you right now, buddy. It's a nice view. I hate doing this shit. There's so much traffic, people don't let you do it. It's so annoying. Got Q60 coming up. Do a little pull now. I think I did it now, but third gear. That was good. I'm not gonna get a lot of grip. The road is wet.
Yeah, boy.
Guys, I think I got it, chat. I think I got it, chat. Oh shit.